Hello, you're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen DiPasquale, and today I'm going to show you how to make just sausage and peppers home style with peppers, onions, and potatoes. So before we begin, let's go over the ingredients. Today we'll be using cheese and parsley sausage, some Yukon Gold potatoes, some red bell peppers, some onions, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. So I'm going to start preparing the potatoes. I like to do wedges, just like this. So I cut the potatoes in wedges, and now I'm gonna, and I also fill this pan with about ½ inch of oil, just the bottom. And we're gonna fry these potatoes. You want to cook them until they're golden brown. And we're also gonna cook the other vegetables in the same pan, but in different stages. So once the potatoes are done, we'll remove them, then we'll add the onions and the peppers. And we'll remove that, and then we'll also, next will be the sausage. Okay, the potatoes are golden brown, so they're ready to come off. So I'm just going to go ahead and drain them on paper towels and let them just hang out until the other vegetables are ready. I also want to salt them as soon as they come out. It's all tender and nicely colored, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off and start cooking the sausage. So right in the same pan, we're going to go ahead and cook the sausage. I'm just going to put a drop of olive oil in here, just a little. Okay, and right here I'm going to add the whole thing just like this in a circle. And I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes. So once the vegetables are all cooked, the potatoes are cooked, and the sausage is 3/4 of the way cooked, I'm going to throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes, just so all the flavors melt together. So it's been about 15 minutes, and everything looks cooked through, so it's time to plate. This smells so good. So here you have it, home-style sausage and peppers with potatoes. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, or check out my other videos. You're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen Di Pasquale.